Okay, so this is part 2. I had to cut the last one short. Let's go with this ocean water. So, well, actually, let's narrow it down. Let's say it's salt water. Let's just say it's salt and water mixed together. There's keyword mixed together. Salt, whenever it goes into water, it goes in as sodium and chloride ions. It separates out. And the sodium and chloride ions evenly disperse among the water molecules, the H2O. So this is what kind of happens if these are molecules. I'm drawing all over the picture, I don't care. They evenly get dispersed. So if it's evenly mixed, they're not combining with the H2O. No, the H2O is a separate thing than the sodium, and separate from the chloride. So this would be a mixture, and if you look at the picture that is underneath all of these drawings, I'll erase those, it looks the same. Oh, lost it. It looks the same all throughout, right? Like this part looks the same as this part. This is blue up here because it's an underwater picture. But if you pick any part out here, you're going to have equal amounts of sodium to water in all these pictures. So, or you're going to have this amount of sodium to water to chloride will be the same ratio as this sample. Like it's going to have the same sodium to H2O to chloride. So it's the same throughout. They're evenly dispersed, so it's homo. Let's go to gold. And that wrote the wrong symbol. AU, gold. Is this on the periodic table? Yes. So it's an element. That's the easiest way to do whether something's an element or a compound. Just look, is it on the periodic table? Yep, that means it's an element. The only thing that's on the periodic table is an element, so yeah, that's easy to do. Let's go down to this one. This is sodium chloride. Alright, it's sodium, which is an element, and it's chloride, which is an element. If we looked at like a little molecule from here, we'd see that we had a sodium and a chlorine combined. They're bonded together. So that means it's an element bonded to another element. That is a compound. Alright, and our last example, concrete. Just by inspection, you see little different parts in it, right? This part's a little different than this part, and this part's a little different than that part. This part's a little bit different than that part up there. So you know it's a mixture, and if you see the different parts and know that, oh, the different rocks in here, they're made out of different things, so I have different ratios over here than I do over here, so of all my stuff, or I might, you know, here that I have a gray rock here, I don't see any gray rocks here. You know that's a heterogeneous mixture.